Hey everyone, welcome back to the Peterson Bronco. So today here with Pierre, we're going to be doing some wiring of lights on his 2000 GMC. Putting some light bars up before he heads out on an epic adventure, which I'll definitely have him send me some video of his trips so we can upload that as well.
Fuck yeah.
So anyways, that's what we're going to be working on today. So let's get going. So everything we're going to be working on getting wired up here. We have 4 lights for the back. We have these 2 on this side, and then a 40-inch light bar on the other side is everything that we're putting essentially underneath the tent. And we're going to be wiring all that through into the cab and have wireless remote switching. And then we're going to be putting this light bar on the front, as well as having also an auxiliary horn that will also be on a wireless switch, more for scaring some wild animals away if needed. But anyways, I'm going to be going through basically soldering and heat shrinking all my connections together, and yeah, we'll get some film on the process while Pierre and I work.
Someone is sleeping on the job. Hey Taco, will you sleep in?
First rule when working on vehicles, put the largest guy in the box. So yeah, we got all the wiring complete. 4 lights at the back, 2 on this side, 1 on the other, as well as a horn to help, scare off wildlife. And then, how we wired it is we have all the wiring actually coming back to these with a wireless remote. So we have all those labeled. Going to be installing another battery with a box, full box taking up the back seat, which has been kind of started here. And that'll all get done so that we have some storage in the back of the truck. But yeah, so all the wiring is complete for now till we get the box in. And then we'll do another video update when that's done. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and share it, and follow along for some of the fun stuff that we do in our shop. Say goodbye, Pierre.